Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for clicking on this video. May you always be healthy and be given abundant fortune, Amen. This time the Old Man Advice channel will explain the nature of the great traits in Islam along with the hadith. In Islam, there are several noble traits encouraged for believers. Here are a few, along with related hadith. 1. Mercy and compassion. The most merciful person is the one who forgives when he is able to take revenge. Sahih al-Bukhari. 2. Honesty and truthfulness. Truthfulness leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to paradise. Sahih al-Bukhari. 3. Patience and perseverance. The strong person is not the one who can wrestle someone down, but the strong person is the one who can control himself when he is angry. Sahih al-Bukhari. 4. Generosity and kindness. The best among you are those who are best to their families. Sunan Ibn Majah. 5. Humility and modesty. Whoever humbles himself for the sake of Allah, Allah will elevate his status. Sahih Muslim. 6. Forgiveness and pardon. The reward of pardoning is greater than the reward of revenge. Sunan Ibn Majah. 7. Gratitude and thankfulness. If you are grateful, I will surely increase your favor, but if you deny, indeed, my punishment is severe. Quran 14:7. 8. Sincerity and intention. Actions are but by intention, and every man shall have only that which he intended. Sahih al-Bukhari. Remember, these traits are central to Islamic teachings and can help individuals lead a virtuous and fulfilling life. Hopefully it can be useful and can inspire you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Wassalamu alaikum.